Oh, he's getting off
He's
528.
getting off the exit, yeah.
Hey, I believe that's 528 he's getting off of. We'll give you an update here.
Cut back on the highway.
He's back on the highway?
Stand by.
No, he's not. He might. I'm watching the highway.
All right, he got off the exit. Going westbound.
All right, he got off on the exit, guys. He's probably going to end up going eastbound on 528.
Already monitoring this channel as well.
You got him, Bernie?
10-4.
10-4 eastbound on 528.
Yeah, if you can just keep Coco updated and make it off US 1 there, and just let East and Canal give them a heads up, and just pass along. The goal is to try to let this car come to a stop somewhere. We're not going to engage.
Hey, give me a description of the driver. You white male or black male?
Light skin, black male, Letarius Autry.
Okay, is there multiple guys in the car or just the driver?
Correction, Letarius driving earlier. It's going to be Devontae Mathis. 2 people in the car.
Okay, roger that. I just want to make sure I get the driver. All right, he's on 528. He's pulling away from us again. He's doing estimated 80, 90, 100.
Passing a white car.
Okay, sorry. If you can't stay with him, it's not that big a deal. We can figure out another way to get him.
Yeah, right now we're in surveillance mode. He doesn't know we're here, and he looks like he's going to be coming up on Industry pretty soon. He just driving signal 12, this guy. He don't know we're here.
Okay. Star, both subjects in the car are wanted.
10-4, thanks.
Well, just confirming. I don't think Daughtry has a warrant, does he?
All right, he's getting off.
Okay, he's getting off. What's that first? Is that Industry by the post office, the first turn off on 528?
Yeah, 10-4. I'm going to take that towards Clear Lake.
He's behind those trees, Barney. You might be able to catch him out there. There's no turn off there by those trees.
Did he just get off?
Yep, there he's right there.
Yeah.
You got him?
Yep.
Did he get? Is he eastbound?
Yeah, it looked like he just turned east.
Hey, we think he's eastbound on Clear Lake. Or whatever that first road is off 528, that's to the south of 528. He's going to go by the Walmart, or the Kmart, correction, by the Kmart. Still signal 12.
All right, yeah, he's getting on Clear Lake there.
Right by.
Should be at 524
Right by
Clear
BP.
Lake.
Yeah, he's by the BP coming right in front of the Walmart. Where's this guy live? Or where's this car going?
On Clear Lake, there's a good chance it could be going to Flower Mound. If not Flower Mound, over towards the Blake, Washington area. Stone Street.
Okay, this guy's really signal 12 guys through the city of Cocoa. Cocoa's patched, right? They know? Because he may signal 4.
Yeah, they should have been notified. We don't have any vehicles anywhere near it, correct?
Yeah, I haven't seen a cop in forever. Yep, everything's good. He's on 501. He's in the other lane now. He's in the incoming lane. Now he switched back to his lane. Still got him, Burn?
Still got him. He's driving through the turn lanes now.
Yeah, now he's in the turn lanes. He'll be coming up on 520 pretty soon the way he's going. He's running all the red lights and stuff, I guess. Still got him, Bernie? I lost him.
I got him.
Is he slowing down?
Slowing down a little bit, yeah.
All right, guys, he slowed down. He's slowed down a little bit. He just turned into this housing complex, just south of that trailer park area.
Alright, it's going to be Flower Mound.
Okay, they bailed. Black male, black pants. He bailed. Driver, he's behind this yellow house.
Eyes on.